3 candles, 9 minutes, and a perfect 2-hour setup on BNB. No noise, just price action. By the way guys, I am building a trade community. We'll share daily news, chart analysis, and I'll be there to connect with you. If you want to join us, just subscribe, like the video, and comment I am in below.